Don't have speakers at the moment but want to play loud music. So here's the solution. Now convert your phones into speaker. Keep watching this video cause in this video I'll be reviewing an app which allows us to convert our phones into speaker. So if you are here for the first time, then don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. You can also hit that bell icon to get notified. By the way, I'm Anshuman. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be reviewing an app called AmpMe. I've already installed this app. You can get this app on Google Play Store. Let's quickly open the app and see what the app actually is. So here it says AmpMe, be the speaker. We will test it out whether it really converts our phone into speaker or not. Now the app asks me to enable the location services. So now I'll quickly enable the location because it needs your location to be turned on. Also, you must have working internet connection to use this app. Now let's quickly look up at the interface first. Here it gives us information about available parties, or it asks to start a new party. While starting the party, you can add music from Spotify, YouTube, Music Library and SoundCloud. Note that Spotify is not available in India. One who will start the party is host and he would be only able to change the track. Here we have the setting icon. Under this we get options like FAQ, etc. So if you want, have a look. Instantly start a new party. Click on Music Library. Browse through your track and select a track to be played. Let's connect a device to the host. Here it shows us available parties. Click on it to join the party. This device has been connected to the host now. Let's look up at different options that we are getting in the app. By this add friend option, you can share this app. By this list icon, you can view the party queue. Under this music icon, you can change the track. By this option, you can view the party guest. And by this cross, you can end the party. Now I am going to talk about some of the things you must know about this app. First, it works on both iOS as well as Android devices. Second, you can connect as many devices you want to the host. Third, you can connect speaker to the host and further amplify the sound. Fourth, the host can only change the track in a party. Fifth, you can't change the host of a party. If the host leaves the party is over. You can start your own party and be the host, but you can't change the host of an existing party. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this app. Let's talk about the pros first. It is quite useful when you don't have speakers and you want loud music. Even if you have speakers, you can involve speaker along with different devices and amplify the sound. Now let's talk about some of the cons. It is not perfect. I faced problems while syncing. It needs internet connection all the time. Once while playing the song, I got a lag of about 30 seconds between my two phones. So this is what I have from review of this app. If you enjoyed watching this video, smash that like button. Let me know your queries in the comment section. Subscribe for more such videos. So guys, this is Anshuman signing off. Have a nice day.